Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will compare Muscletech versus On Whey protein. We'll dive into their nutritional profiles, looking at protein per serving and overall ingredient quality. Understanding these details helps you choose a supplement that aligns with your fitness goals. We'll also explore the variety of flavors and how well each powder mixes, ensuring you get a pleasant and effective experience. Let's get started. When we look at the nutritional breakdown, Muscletech Nitrotech often provides around 30 grams of protein per scoop, which is quite substantial. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard typically offers 24 grams of protein per serving. Both brands generally keep fat and carbohydrate content low, making them excellent choices for lean muscle support. Consider your daily protein targets when deciding which option best fits your dietary needs. Regarding ingredients and quality, Muscletech frequently incorporates additional components like creatine and digestive enzymes, aiming for enhanced performance and absorption. Optimum Nutrition, on the other hand, focuses on a blend of whey protein isolate and concentrate as its primary ingredients. Both companies are committed to sourcing high-quality protein, ensuring you receive effective amino acids for muscle recovery and growth. Your choice might depend on whether you prefer a pure protein or one with added benefits. Finally, let's talk about flavor, mixability, and overall value. Both Muscletech and Optimum Nutrition boast an impressive array of delicious flavors, catering to diverse preferences. You'll find that both powders mix exceptionally well with water or milk, leaving minimal clumps. When considering value, it often comes down to price per serving and any additional ingredients you might be looking for. Remember to check the description for a link to those fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. Your ideal choice balances taste, convenience, and your budget.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.